Prison Manchester is a high-security men's prison in Manchester, England, operated by Her Majesty's Prison Service. It is still commonly referred to as Strangeways, which was its former official name derived from the area in which it is located, until it was rebuilt following a major riot in 1990. It is a local prison, holding prisoners remanded into custody from courts in the Manchester area and Category A prisoners. Prior to the abolition of capital punishment in the United Kingdom in the 1960s, one of the UK's execution chambers was located in the prison. Strangeways was designed by Alfred Waterhouse and opened in 1868 alongside the demolished Manchester Assize Courts. The prison is known for its prominent ventilation tower and imposing design, structured by the principles of the separate system. Construction of the Grade II listed prison was completed in 1869, and it was opened on 25 June 1869 to replace the New Bailey prison in Salford, which closed in 1868. The prison, designed by Alfred Waterhouse in 1862 with input from Joshua Jebb, cost £170,000 and had a capacity of 1,000 inmates. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.